The Mediterranean Sea has long been a vital strategic zone, offering access to Europe, Asia, and Africa, especially during times of conflict, as tensions intensify in the Gulf. Particularly with Israel's confrontation with Hamas, the Mediterranean has once again become a key point of global focus. In a bold response, the United States has deployed its most advanced and secretive asset, a multi-billion-dollar aircraft carrier, to the region. This one-of-a-kind carrier, representing the pinnacle of military tech, has stunned the world and sent a strong message. America is ready to protect its allies and interests. So, what makes this ship so unique among global naval forces? And how has its arrival shifted the balance in the Gulf? Let's explore the secretive USS Gerald R. that has captured global attention. Ordered by Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin, the USS Gerald R. Ford Strike Group, along with cruisers and destroyers, is now stationed in the eastern Mediterranean, prepared for a wide range of scenarios, including surveillance and intercepting weapon shipments. The move comes amid alarming reports. 27 Americans confirmed dead in the ongoing Israel-Hamas conflict, with more still missing. The U.S. Embassy in Jerusalem is closely monitoring the situation, while Secretary of State Antony Blinken leads diplomatic efforts for de-escalation. Meanwhile, Ford deployment serves as a powerful deterrent in this volatile climate. The USS Gerald R. Ford's journey began with a $2.7 billion contract in 2005, followed by a major $5.1 billion contract in 2008 with Northrop Grumman Shipbuilding in Newport News, Virginia. Construction took place at Huntington Ingalls Shipyard, with the keel laid on November 14, 2009, in a ceremony led by Susan Ford Bales, daughter of President Ford. The ship's emblem was co-designed by Susan and Captain John F. Meyer, the carrier's first commanding officer. Milestones came quickly. 50% complete by 2011, 75% by April 2012, and 87% by November. The superstructure, the island, was added in January 2013, with the final superlift in May, and the structure completed by July 11, 2013, sealed with a time capsule. However, production delays pushed its launch from October 2013, and costs ballooned to $12.8 billion by 2013. Testing issues moved its delivery date to late 2016, with construction reported 93% complete. Major flight system issues delayed full combat readiness even further. By March 2018, total costs soared to $13.2 billion, making it the most expensive warship ever built. Its builder trials ran in April 2017, followed by acceptance trials in May, and full shock trials completed in 2021 off Florida's coast. Powered by two Bechtel A-1B nuclear reactors, the ship generates a massive 700 megawatts, enough to power a city, and drives twin electric motors producing a jaw-dropping 1.5 million horsepower. Each motor is the size of 4 pickup trucks stacked together. Despite its power, the ship is massive, 1,100 feet long, 260 feet wide, 245 foot tall, and weighing 100,000 tons, making it the largest aircraft carrier in the world. It supports fighter jets, helicopters, and UAVs, including fifth-gen aircraft. Among its advanced defense systems is the Mark 15 Phalanx CIWS, an elite anti-air system firing 4,500 rounds per minute at 3,600 feet per second, ensuring close-range defense against incoming threats. In defensive operations, the Phalanx CIWS unleashes a rapid-fire barrage with pinpoint accuracy, acting like a laser-guided shield. But the USS Gerald R. Ford goes beyond traditional systems. It features Lockheed Martin's Law's laser weapon, a cutting-edge system powered by the ship's nuclear reactors. This high-energy laser can disable enemy aircraft electronics or destroy incoming missiles from up to 3 miles away. Another key defense tool is the RIM-116 RAM system, a futuristic-looking launcher holding 20 missiles, each capable of intercepting targets 6 miles out at speeds over 2,200 miles per hour. At the core of the Ford's power is its Air Strike Group, a combat-ready mix of 95 aircraft and helicopters. Ahead of deployment to the Mediterranean, the Pentagon boosted its force, adding F-35s, F-15s, F-16s, and intends to strengthen its mission capabilities. Each aircraft plays a crucial role in maximizing the carrier's strike potential. The F-35, a next-gen stealth fighter, stands out. As the first operational stealth jet with supersonic speed and short takeoff/vertical landing, it's a game-changer in modern warfare. Its low observable design, advanced avionics, and sensor fusion tech give pilots unmatched situational awareness and long-range strike ability. The F-35A and B variants have a 35-foot wingspan for tight carrier spaces, while the F-35C has a larger wing for longer range and efficiency. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney F135 engine, it hits speeds of Mach 1.6, with 35% of its frame made from composites for added stealth and durability. Internal weapon bays reduce drag and maintain stealth. Its systems include the APG-81 ASA radar, ASQ, 239 EW suite, and AQ, 4 electro-optical targeting, all enhancing the pilot's edge in battle. A standout feature is a helmet-mounted display, HMDS, projecting flight and combat data directly onto the visor, even enabling off-boresight missile launches. Stealth is a core strength, achieved through shape, radar-absorbing materials, and a diverterless supersonic inlet, giving it a radar signature as small as a golf ball from certain angles. Together, the F-35 and F-16 form a powerful duo. While the F-35 lead with stealth and tech, both aircraft carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, excelling in close air support, enemy air defense suppression, and more, making the USS Gerald R forward a dominant force in any battle scenario. The F-16, a fourth-generation jet, has earned its place as a top-tier multi-role fighter. This single-engine, supersonic aircraft combines advanced aerodynamics with high-tech avionics. It was the first to use a fly-by-wire control system with relaxed static stability, giving it exceptional agility and the ability to perform 9G maneuvers, reaching speeds over Mach 2. Designed with cost efficiency and easy maintenance in mind, it features a frame built from aluminum, steel, composites, and titanium, rated for 8,000 flight hours. The frameless bubble canopy, side stick controls, and reclined seat improve visibility and pilot comfort. The F-16 carries an M61 Vulcan cannon, plus multiple hardpoints for missiles, bombs, and pods, making it highly versatile. Its cropped delta wing and fixed geometry air intake enhance performance at high angles of attack. The jet also includes a quadruple fly-by-wire system and HOTAS controls, paired with multi-function displays and advanced radar systems, including ASA radars in newer models. Meanwhile, the A-10 Thunderbolt II, or Warthog, is built for close air support, delivering unmatched firepower through its GU-8 Avenger cannon, which fires 3,900 rounds per minute. It plays a vital role in protecting ground forces. Matching that air power, the USS Gerald R. Ford is a floating fortress packed with high-end systems. It features a specialized cable landing system designed for vertical landing helicopters like the Apache, ensuring safe landings even in rough seas. Its wide, unobstructed flight deck boosts both takeoff and landing safety. The carrier's 3 heavy-duty elevators, each able to lift up to 65 tons, streamline operations by moving aircraft and equipment between decks. Beneath the main deck lies a spacious hangar bay, similar in size to a large parking garage. This hidden space can store elite warplanes, including stealth bombers like the B-21 Raider, ready to launch devastating attacks when needed. Supporting the Ford is a powerful Carrier Strike Group 12, a coordinated force of ships and aircraft. At its core is Carrier Air Wing 8, which includes elite squadrons like HSC-9 Tridents, HSM-70 Spartans, VA-124 Bear Aces, and fighter units such as VFA-37 Raging Bulls, VFA-213 Black Leons, VFA-87 Golden Warriors, and more. Each squadron brings unique strengths in air support, defense, and offensive strike power. The strike group is also protected by surface warships. USS Normandy, USS Ramage, USS McFall, and USS Thomas Hudner, a mix of cruisers and destroyers equipped with cutting-edge weapons and systems. These ships form a vital defense perimeter around the carrier, ensuring its safety and reinforcing U.S. naval dominance on the world stage. The support vessels that accompany the carrier significantly extend its range and enhance its power projection. They provide added firepower, intelligence, surveillance, recon capabilities, and logistic support. This broader reach allows the carrier to handle diverse missions and maintain a strong presence across regions. These fleets also give the carrier flexibility to respond to emergencies, ranging from disaster relief to full-scale combat, making them vital in today's naval warfare. In short, these ships are versatile and essential assets that boost the carrier strike group's effectiveness and protection. Their presence in the Mediterranean serves key purposes, chiefly to support ceasefires and act as a strong deterrent to prevent conflicts, helping preserve regional stability. The USS Gerald R. Ford's recent deployment to the Mediterranean was a major milestone. Though previously active in operations, this marked its first mission into a tense zone. It departed Naval Station Norfolk on October 4, 2022, for joint NATO exercises in the Atlantic. The move highlighted America's commitment to peace and regional security through a powerful show of strength. The carrier then visited Halifax, Nova Scotia, its first foreign port stop, followed by operations near the UK, before it turned to Norfolk on November 26, 2022. On May 3, 2023, it began its first full-length deployment in the 2nd and 6th Fleet areas. It arrived near Oslo, Norway, for NATO drills and was honored with a visit by Crown Prince Haakon. The mission also includes future Arctic exercises. In June 2023, it anchored in Split, Croatia, for crew rest, and in October, it conducted joint naval drills with the Italian Navy in the Ionian Sea, reaffirming its key role in global maritime security. Despite its massive size, the Ford-class carrier still faces challenges from sea instability. To handle this, the U.S. Navy uses advanced ballast systems, stabilizers, and shock absorbers to ensure steady operations, even in rough waters. Additionally, new pneumatic fenders enhance safety during docking by detecting threats like storms and triggering swift action, such as moving the ship to open seas for safety. With its advanced systems and powerful fleet, the USS Gerald R. Ford is redefining global military reach. Equipped with cutting-edge weapons and aircraft, it raises a standard for naval power. Its presence shifts the global balance, signaling America's firm commitment to peace, deterrence, and international security.